Hello YouTube, today I'm going English again. I'm gonna show you how to replace your coils with the dead rabbit RDA. This method will work with any RDA actually. It's still pretty okay, but look. I'm gonna replace this coil right here. I'm gonna replace that one. So what you will need is a screwdriver. I'm gonna use this little thing. You're gonna need a ceramic tweezer and some scissors, and obviously a coil and some wick. Get some wick right here, and I got coils in a box right here, this one. So what we do first is we take this, we're gonna screw open the side we want to replace. I'm gonna replace this one. Gonna make it an 09 coil, which is really low. Not gonna use it on my Mac obviously, because that might explode if you use it wrong, and I'm a beginner with Macs, so not gonna do that. So we take that out. Okay, screw it open. I keep the coils though. I like to replace them because it's a hobby, but I will not like throw them away. So what I do now is you take the coil out with your tweezers, preferably your tweezers, and you take out the wick itself, and I'm gonna throw it away. Okay, and now I'm gonna put this in there. Not so hard. So I'm gonna also replace this wick. So I'm gonna like just take it out. That's all I have to do. Oop, that's simple. Okay, then you take your coil you want to use. Whoops. Yeah, okay. Just gonna like get my coil. And this is a coil, it's a pretty easy coil. So you wanna like see this? This one is gold, this one is silver. You wanna make it silver and gold, not gold, gold, silver, silver. So I'm gonna just put it in there. Alright. Nope, I'm gonna turn it around because that's a bit easier. Make sure it gets really in there. Okay. Then you screw it really tight so it doesn't come loose. I'm gonna use the tiny screwdriver so it doesn't come loose and messes everything up. Okay, that's very easy. Okay. As you can see, that's really tight. Okay, now you want to heat them up. Gonna do old coil. Okay, we're gonna place them the same height. So we need to do this a bit lower. Okay, so this one got a little loose. So we wanna screw it open, put it good in there, put it well in there, so it doesn't come loose again. That will be horrible. Okay, that's in there. Now we wanna make it tight again, so it doesn't come loose again. Like, you need to do it really, really, really tight. That's it. So now we want to make sure they're at the same height. So we need need to make this one a little lower. Okay. What we do now, because they're at the same height, but well, they're obviously not good yet, as you can see. We don't want to heat them up too much, just a little bit. Take this, like, put it in there, twist the coil right. Now it should heat up. They heat up simultaneously. The one is a little hotter, so that's not what it's meant to happen. So yeah, like that. As you can see, that's a good build. This one doesn't heat up as fast, so we're gonna put it a little lower. 0.12. Okay, that's perfect. So I'm just gonna take this right now, because we're gonna need it if we want to vape. Gonna take our wick, just a little bit. You just need like that. That should be perfect. You want to twist it, you can twist it with your hand as well, or with 2 fingers, doesn't matter that much. So we have a good twisted coil. We want to put it in at one side, get it in there, pull it through. Oop. The coil is loose again. Don't know why that keeps happening. Why does that keep happening? Oh gosh. Alright, so I just put it back. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, now we want to pull the coil through, the wick. Yeah, and we want to like twist the end again, put it in the other coil. Not too hard. This is an easy step. If you could do it easily, that should be perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Now we want to pull it through on both sides. So yeah, you have this. You want to take your scissors. I'm going to do it like that. Okay. What I do now is I want to make sure they're straight. Go like this. Put it on the end and do like that. The other side as well. Okay. Well, if it would just, yeah. I sort the wick. Which normally doesn't happen. It sucks. Okay. So I want to just do the same thing again. Not that hard. Like with one wick, obviously. If this happens and you have one coil wicked, you just do the other coil. Wicking is not that hard. Okay, as you can see, that's already good. I want to cut them like that and like that. If it would just cut. Okay, good, perfect. To make them a little bit fluffier, you want to just pull little strings out of there. That would make it a little bit fluffier. Because you like fluffy coils. We all like fluffy coils. Who doesn't like fluffy coils? Wicks, I mean wicks. Gosh! Okay, that's perfect. So we just want to put it in there. Oh, then if they're not long enough, you want to just take them out and do it again. But just don't cut them as short. Those are 2 types of wicks here, but the one I'm gonna show you now is a little bit better in my opinion. So we have this. Yeah, we wanna twist it. This is a different kind. I didn't fail the other one. It's just a wick I don't like that much, but it's the most common wick because it's really easy. So with this wick, you don't want to cut it too much. You just want to cut it like that instead of the other one. We do that twice, obviously, because so you need 2 wicks. Okay. Make sure it isn't hollow, that the wicks touch all the sides of the coil. Okay, you want to do the same again. Okay, that's it. That's very easy. We want to take our tweezers, put it in there, really easy, and pull it a bit to the sides. Okay, like that. Do the same with the other coil, not that hard. So you have a bit of a wick like that. I really like those wicks, because when you have a drip tip, which obviously you have, you can just pour it in. You don't need to open your coil all the time, just sometimes you have to. I'm gonna put some flavor in there. Just gonna wet the wick. By the way, I know this isn't pretty, but it is really effective. I call this the life method. I don't know if it's a method that already has a name, but I just call it the life method, because it's really darn easy. I mean, come on guys, it's so easy. Okay, we're gonna heat it up. It fires like heaven. It really fires good, because it's like 0.12. That's really low resistance. I mean, the resistance you have that's safe, at least on a mechanical mod, is 0.20, 0.18, and this one is 0.12. So that's really good. It does heat up your mod. I mean, obviously, this is on 40 watts. That's 40 watts. I'm gonna put it on 60, which I usually vape on. And that's a regulated device with just an RDA. Also, I bought a Mac. Awesome. So, now I'm gonna just show you a little trick. French inhale. Baines mask. And the O's. I'm gonna show you how to do the O's. You inhale really good, all the way to your lungs. How you do that? Well, I'm gonna show it with my RDA. Then you wanna get it in your mouth. And you wanna make little O sounds. Like, but it's not coming from your mouth, it's really coming from your neck. Like here, your throat, you need to get the air out of your throat instead of your, well, mouth like you usually do. And if you do it right, that's how you get really thick O's. But anyway, in this video I showed you how to replace your coils. It's really easy. And also replace your wicks, because that's something you need to do every now and then. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next video.